Hello everybody. We wanted to show you a pump which was created for the Tech Challenge 2014. First of all, the Tech Challenge is created here by the Tech Museum in San Jose, California every year, and there's a couple hundred teams competing building engineering devices. This year's Tech Challenge was to use wind power to pump water out of a pond into a bucket. And as you can see here, this test rig is actually courtesy of the Tech Museum here in San Jose, California. So the wind is simulated by a regular shop fan from Home Depot. We have here a container with water in it, which is basically the pond, and the water needs to be pumped up into this bucket. What you see here right now is a 3-liter bucket intended originally for the high school kids. The middle school kids were supposed to pump 1 liter in 3 minutes, the high schoolers 3 liters in 3 minutes. So let's take a look at what this pump does and by the way how it works. It was created by a team of a Discovery Charter School called the Jetstream, and we have one of our team members standing here right there, and these are 7th graders. So what they did is they simply took a piece of sheet metal, cut a circle out of it to make a fan blade, and they bent the ends of the sheet metal over to make this blade at about a 15-degree angle so it will run pretty fast. All of this is mounted onto a bolt which sits in bearings on a 2x4 and has this little crank with a counterweight at the end. Now on this pin of a crank they attached with some wire and duct tape a regular 1-inch PVC pipe with the open end hanging inside the water. As this crank turns and spins around, we have about a 2-inch stroke which shakes that PVC pipe up and down. Now the only secret here to this PVC pipe is this little flapper. That's a piece of rubber taped over half of the area of a PVC pipe. And as it moves up and down, it opens and closes that end. In the upstroke, the flapper is closed, therefore creating a vacuum and lifting up some water. In the downstroke, the flapper opens, and with the inertia of the water still in the up, it will start splashing out of the end of the pipe, hopefully going inside the bucket here. Actually, it's a little water bottle. From there, it moves through the hose into the target container. So let's see how this pump actually works. Lucas, can you start the clock? Ready, set, go. The pump is self-priming, starting all by itself. It doesn't need any kicking or motion to get it started. And it will take some time, about 15-20 seconds, to get up to full speed. As it's speeding up, you can see starting water to gush out. It's still speeding up. The flapper's doing its work. The water is running down the hose and hopefully into the container. As you can see, once it pumps really fast. We reached the 1 liter mark very quickly. 2 liters are coming up here right now. In a couple more seconds, it's gushing. It has some moments where it runs faster and slower. Hopefully we're getting up to the 3 liter mark here very quickly. Here you go. So what else can we tell you about the pump? It's built out of recyclable materials, like literally scrap sitting around the garage. It's a very, very simple design, also very reliable. It kind of had quite some abuse. When it runs under full load here right now, the blade spins about 250 RPM and can pump, or actually pumps, about 5 to 6 liters per minute. I hope you enjoyed this little video and get an idea about a new or different simple build pump by 7th graders. Until next time.